Hey everybody, welcome to Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. I'm Mike Ziegler, and today we're going to be talking about Carve It Up USA 2025. What is Carve It Up USA? Carve It Up USA is a power carving competition that basically anything, not just wood, but any kind of medium that you can use a power carver on, you're entered. So what are we talking about? With the Carve It Up USA competition, it's real simple. All you have to do is snap a picture or video if you want to. We like all entries, but just snap a picture of your power carving project. Does not have to be in wood. It can be in foam. It could be stone. It could be anything at all that requires power carving, not hand carving. Nothing against the unplugs. But all you have to do is tag it with Carve It Up USA 25 and post it to Instagram. Okay. And that's all you have to do, really. This year, we made it real simple. Now, if you follow each one of our sponsors, which would be Arbortech, that would be King Arthur Tools, that would also be Mampa Tools, and of course, Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and get your project in front of more eyes. So with this competition, it's running now until October 18th at the end of the extravaganza. If you're in the North Carolina area and you're coming to our woodworking extravaganza October 17th and 18th, you can actually come in and enter as well in person at the Arbortech booth. Past or present entries are also included, so you don't have to worry about doing it right now or power carving something until the 18th of October. Any power carving that you've done in the past will work as long as it has been power carved. And if you can show a power carving tool you use, that would be awesome. Arbortech was also really nice and sent us their demo tools that they use to train with. So therefore, we kind of have these until the extravaganza. So we're going to open them up and we're going to use them. Okay, there's no reason not to because they sent them to us in kind of free reign. But even more importantly is the Spiro plane. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I thought it'd be larger. Carve It Up USA is real easy to get to. You can go to woodworkingshop.com/Carve It Up USA. And on that page, you'll be able to find all of the rules, all of the stipulations, and all of the fun things that you can or cannot include. Special thanks to Arbortech. They are the main sponsor for this competition, and partnering with them and letting us borrow their demo tools for the time being is going to be a lot of fun. So look forward to more content coming up in a few weeks here as we actually dive into each one of these products and tell you all about it. Don't forget, hashtag Carve It Up USA 25.
It's easy to enter the 2025 Carve It Up USA competition. Entry must be posted to Instagram. Entry must be power carved in some way, highlighting your use of power carving tools. Entry must have the hashtag Carve It Up USA 25. Each entry is encouraged to tag accounts Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, Arbortech, King Arthur's Tools, Mampa Tools. Posts should also be followers of these accounts.